So good morning, guys. I'm just going to show you a couple of clips before I start taking it apart, because I'm going to take off all the painted stuff, the fenders, the front bumper, the doors, and put them inside so that they don't get affected. And then I'm going to fully sand the back, basically the back end of the car and the little trim and the A-pillar, bring it in the thing and finish painting it hopefully today. But for now, I'll just show you how it looks. I still have to do the other side skirt and do the front portion for this one. As you can see, the fitment on this side is like almost perfect, almost. But I do still have some stuff to fix with the bumper. Either way, this top portion cracked, and it's basically because for this to be flush, it has to bend in, and I basically kind of have to chop this and force it together and re-fiberglass this corner. Same thing goes for this part, I believe, is you have to cut this to make this go in like that. We have to cut this and just re-fiberglass it, just like a corner. But other than that, the fenders are almost done molding. This side's like just about almost perfect. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. Rachel putting in that work. She's cleaning the whole garage and moving stuff outside, taking apart everything. As you can see, there's no more taillights, no wing. It's weird and green. The wing's right there. Taillights are out. I got to take apart the license plate and bracket and stuff. Probably just take that stuff out too if I can find the torque spit for it. I might shave this hole too because it's not gonna have a lock anymore. And yeah, I mean, I took out all the weather stripping here. I took out that plastic piece that goes around the rubber seals all around the stuff so I could sand everything. Hey guys, so it's like obviously dark, but it's also like super cold. It's like 50 something degrees, maybe in the 40s. Yeah, it's pretty bad. But anyways, we're gonna move this into the garage. We're gonna reverse it in because the back end has the most space, and we'll be able to turn on a space heater and get it hotter in there. So all the Bondo, the fiberglass, the paint will dry a lot better, obviously. But we did sand the whole body. I just primered both quarters. And yeah, we're gonna be painting the body. We're not gonna be doing the roof. The roof we'll be doing tomorrow, and then the side skirts too and stuff, and the rear bumper. But the actual general body will be painted by the end of tonight. is our setup for our booth. Luckily Rachel cleaned everything up with this tarp up. We have a good amount of room. We have a crazy amount of room on this side, not so good on this side, but we might reposition it. We're gonna go inside to eat first because we literally haven't eaten in like 5 to 6 hours, something like that, and then we'll come back. I have some little amount of Bondo to sand the primer, and then we could just wipe everything down, tape off the car, and spray the silver. And then 30-40 minutes after the silver, we can roll the car outside, put on the doors because we need the doors to know where the lines are. Trace the lines, take the doors off, bring them back in, bring the car back in, tape off for the blue lines, cover everything, spray the blue, wait another 30 to 45, and then probably around 10 to 11 p.m. we'll actually get to fully clear coat this thing, and then just leave it in the garage for the rest of the night. Hey guys, so I started spraying the silver, and I noticed there's some imperfections above the passenger flare. Just places where like paint's been kind of ripped off, and I didn't realize it because of all the mixing color going on. So I sprayed like most of the silver, like 80% of the silver where it needs to be is already sprayed. But I just left it. It's already like 10:30 or I don't know. Is it 10? Yeah.
It's 10:45.
It's 10:45. We had to clean up the yard and everything like that. And yeah, obviously the whole lack of sleep thing. The whole lack of sleep thing is getting to me because I've been just waking up early. But tomorrow I'm gonna get up at 8, and hopefully by noon I can do the silver, mask off, blue, and then clear it, and then the car will just sit in the garage with the heater, and then hopefully maybe by like 3 or 4 p.m. let it sit for 3-4 hours with the clear coat. I can maybe bring it out and then paint the rear bumper and paint the trim and stuff like that. But basically, yeah, I just didn't want to rush it, because it's not worth finishing it faster with the imperfections there and stuff like that. Just because, like, I don't know, they look really bad. They're just like crap. But anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Sorry today's video wasn't too, into too much detail because I've just kind of been working, and Rachel's been helping me and sanded the car and masked off and cleaned the whole garage and everything like that. So hopefully by tomorrow, body will be painted. The roof I'm gonna do not last but separately because once the body's painted, I could just tape off everything around the roof and cover everything, and then just spray the roof blue. And then the trims, like the headlight trim, the roof trim, the end bits of the spoiler, that little lip spoiler bit that I'll be attaching to the trunk, the side mirrors, the door trim, all still need to be painted, but I think I'm going to all do that together since they're all small, and I can just paint them all, and then I can lay them out in the garage, and then just clear them all at once in one session. So yeah, obviously I'm not going to go to the cars and carts thing tomorrow morning that we were planning to. I mean, maybe if we worked harder we could have finished the car, but it's just not worth rushing for something like that. I'd rather just kind of take my time and relax. We are now ahead by like, over 2,000 votes?
I don't remember what you said it was.
Yeah, it's 3,500 something, and he has 1,300. So I think it's like 2,000, right? It's a lot of votes.
He only got 100 votes with one day.
I don't remember. Maybe he has 15. I don't remember, but we're ahead by a lot. We're the only one in the 3,000s, even that Rachel Supergirl is in like the 2,000s. But remember to go vote. As always, it's literally a day and a half left of this. Today's Saturday, tomorrow Sunday, and then Monday at 2 p.m. the polls close, and then Monday at 8 p.m. Is the reveal of the winner. I guess I could do like a live stream of the video so we could find out together who won. So yeah, a lot going on, but just exhausted. Yeah, it'll be worth it. Really gonna need the vacation at Vegas to make up for this because I don't think I've ever, like, this is genuinely harder than having like a job and working full time in my opinion because it's like I'm dead.
More than like an 8-hour shift.
Yeah, it's definitely more than an 8-hour shift, yeah. Like Friday alone, I mean, I started at like 8 a.m. and I ended at 8 p.m. It's horrible. But anyways, see you guys tomorrow, and hopefully we'll have it finished by tomorrow.